Title: The Sneezing Ghost. Ali moved into a new house that everyone said was haunted. But Ali wasn't scared until the first night. At exactly midnight, he heard a loud "Aku." From the empty hallway, he froze. "Who's there?" he whispered. No answer. The next night again at midnight, "Achu." Ali grabbed a tissue box and tiptoed out. "Bless you," said nervously. Suddenly, a cold breeze whooshed by, and a voice groaned, "Thanks, ... I'm allergic to dust." Ali blinked. "Wait, you're a ghost?" "Yes," the voice sniffled. "But I'm a neat ghost. This house is too dusty." Ali, confused but polite, handed over tissues. The ghost blew an invisible nose and said, "Much better. Mind vacuuming the attic?" So Ali started cleaning every day. In return, the ghost stopped spooking him and even scared off door-to-door salesmen. When Ali's cousin visited and joked, "Got any ghosts here?" the ghost sneezed so loudly that the cousin fainted. Now Ali and his allergic ghost are roommates. The house is spotless. No salesman dare come close, and every night ends with a polite "Bless you, thank you," because even ghosts need tissues.